goddess is confident, she's strong, and she's effortless in everything that she does.
I think a goddess is about being me.
Hi, this is Lisa Price, the founder of Carol's Daughter, and I'm here today to introduce Goddess Strength. It's made with castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed, and it improves the strength and resilience of your hair. There's a shampoo, a conditioner, a divine strength leave-in cream, and the most heavenly hair oil you have ever had on your scalp. It doesn't just make your hair strong, it makes your hair goddess strong.
Facing challenges on a day-to-day basis and being able to get through them with grace. That's what goddess means to me. I am a goddess.
When I think of the word goddess, I think of someone allowing their spirit to live authentically, loudly, and freely.
Well, when I think of goddess, I think of the beautiful women in my family, the women that have come here, taken charge, raised families, started their businesses, loved me, showed me what it is to be a woman, to live authentically and live freely and live beautifully.
When I think of the term goddess, I don't think of someone who is perfectly dressed and styled and looking stunning. I think of someone who is strong. When I was building my company, I was also raising children at the same time. My sons were born 19 months apart. I never looked like a goddess. I was covered in shea butter and almond oil and oatmeal and baby spit up, sweats and t-shirts, and just looking grungy all the time. But when I looked inside, when I looked at what I was doing, when I looked at what I was building, I knew that I was a goddess, because I was not only being a mother, and not only being a wife, I was also being a businesswoman. That's what being a goddess is about.